Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Set up Acorns by choosing a plan. Light, personal, or family per month. Each level adds features like IRA accounts and custodial investing. Link a bank or debit card and verify identity to enable roundups, which track spare change on purchases and invest automatically. Pick account types that match goals. Taxable brokerage for flexible access, traditional or Roth IRA for retirement, or in custodial account for kids. Confirm your allocations and preferences before enabling automatic contributions or linking external accounts. Grow assets by combining roundups, recurring transfers, and one-time deposits. Roundups capture spare change, while scheduled transfers build discipline. Set recurring contributions to a consistent amount and add lump sum transfers when you can to accelerate compounding. Review and select one of 6 portfolio mixes ranging from conservative to aggressive to match your risk tolerance and rebalance automatically as balances shift. Activate found money partner bonuses when available to earn extra investments from shopping at participating merchants. Understand fees and taxes so returns aren't surprises. A monthly fee equals 6 annually, which is proportionally larger on small balances, so scale contributions to reduce fee drag. Taxable accounts will generate Form 1099 for dividends and capital gains, while IRA contributions show on Form 5498 for tax reporting. Improve outcomes by increasing recurring contributions, periodically reviewing portfolio mix, and using found money offers. Diversify across asset classes inside Acorns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.